and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I'm super excited because I am participating in a collaboration hosted by Fallon for Moss Family TV. And she had asked us every Friday of the month of September, if we want to share a recipe, a fall recipe. So I will be participating in all of them, and I will be starting off this Friday, so today, with a fall breakfast recipe. So make sure you check out their channel. I will link it down below, as well as the playlist, because there are going to be tons of recipes for you to choose from. Not necessarily breakfast recipe, that is what I'm choosing to share today. And then next Friday is going to be a soup recipe, the following Friday dinner, and then a dessert. So I hope that you will be joining me every Friday, as well as all the other participants. And I can't wait to see what all the recipes that everybody shares. So without further ado, let's get started. So for this apple peanut butter baked oatmeal, you need 2 cups of oats. I am using old-fashioned oats, steel-cut old-fashioned oats. Then you need some salt. I am actually making a double batch, so that way I can freeze it all. I am using a teaspoon of salt, 4 cups of oats, and then you need 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, about 3.5 cups of almond milk, 2 large eggs. Then you need applesauce or Greek yogurt. I am using Greek yogurt, and there are 6 tablespoons of it here. Then you need 1/2 cup of honey. I have a little bit less than that. And then you need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm just using my homemade stuff. And then a cup of peanut butter. You can do homemade. I am using the one from Costco. And then about 3 cups of diced apples. So I have diced some apples, but I also sliced some because I'm going to be putting it on top. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to mix my dry ingredients. So I'm adding my oats, my baking powder, cinnamon, and salt. I'm going to mix it all up. And now I'm going to set it aside and mix my wet ingredients. So I'm going to add my milk, yogurt. So I'm pretty much adding everything except peanut butter and apples. My honey. And 2 eggs. And vanilla extract. Now I'm going to whisk it all up. Now I'm going to fold it with my dry mixture. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to add the peanut butter. I'm going to mix it up and let it sit for about 5 minutes. And while it's sitting, I'm going to get my pan ready. And then just before it goes into a pan, I'm going to add apples to it. For the pan, I'm using my Pampered Chef rectangular baker, and I'm going to oil it with some coconut oil. You can use a non-stick spray or some other oil. I prefer coconut oil, so that is what I'm using. So it has been about 5 minutes or so. I'm going to add all of my chopped up apple, cut up, not the sliced stuff. And I'm going to stir it. And now I'm going to pour the mixture. And then I'm going to get a bit fancy and put sliced apples on top. This is totally optional. So here it is, and I'm going to be putting it in the oven at 350 for about 40 minutes. And then I'll show you how I serve mine. So I just pulled this out of the oven. Oh my goodness, I wish you guys had smell vision, because this smells like fall. Warm apples with cinnamon. It's what fall is all about, in my opinion, when it comes to baking and cooking. So I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it into 16 servings, and I had pulled out all my little containers. I'm gonna freeze it in, and I'm going to have some for breakfast. So here it is. I added a dollop of peanut butter on it. You can, and drizzled it with a touch of maple syrup. You don't need lots because it's sweet with apples and honey, but it is absolutely delicious, and the smell, I just can't describe it. So I'd like to thank Fallon for hosting this collaboration. I enjoy participating, I enjoy cooking, so naturally I enjoy participating in these type of collaborations. Make sure you check out her channel as well as the playlist link down below. And if you're stopping by my channel for the very first time, I would love it if you press the subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of my upcoming fall recipes and other. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.